Mental models are the APIs for our brains because they enable us to communicate very quickly with other people once we have the same mental model. A mental model allows us to have the same construct to be able to communicate very quickly because once we have that same model in our heads, we don't have to explain a lot of the other periphery things. We can talk straight at each other and be able to communicate very quickly. For example, a mental model that I use for AI is what's called the DIKW pyramid, or data, information, knowledge, wisdom. And I oftentimes argue that when it comes to AI, we're at the knowledge age. What that means is that a lot of the things that we try to do with data and information no longer apply. And so if we have a mental model and we agree, for example, that we're at the knowledge age, then when we start talking about data and information and maybe controls around that, we have to recognize that, wait, maybe we won't be as effective in the AI age. And so mental models like the DIKW pyramid is an API for our brains and enable us to communicate much more effectively and efficiently.